Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a theory exam. First, make sure you fully understand what the exam covers and its structure. This includes knowing the topics and question types. Next, collect all your textbooks, notes, and any supplementary materials. Finally, develop a study plan that breaks down your learning into manageable sessions. Consistency is key, so stick to your schedule as much as possible for the best results. To truly master the material, focus on active recall. Instead of just rereading, try to remember information without looking at your notes. Flashcards are excellent for this, especially for definitions or key terms. Regularly test yourself with practice questions to identify areas needing more attention. Also, try explaining complex concepts in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even just to yourself. This method solidifies your understanding and highlights any gaps. For long-term retention, spaced repetition is incredibly effective. Revisit challenging topics at increasing intervals to embed them in your memory. Try to link new information with what you already know. This creates a stronger mental framework. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and a balanced diet. Your brain needs proper rest and nutrition to function optimally and retain information. These habits significantly boost your study efforts. On the day before your exam, do a light review of your most important notes and formulas. Avoid cramming new information. Get a good night's sleep and eat a healthy breakfast. On exam day, arrive early to your testing location, take a few deep breaths, and stay calm. Trust in your preparation and read each question carefully. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your space tidy while you study.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.